How to change the brake light bulb on a Peugeot 307. Open the boot. The bulbs are hidden behind this carpet here. Now the best way to lift this off is by removing this sill here. It's just on 2 pins. One here and one on the other side. Right here. You can do it without removing this, but it's a lot easier if you do. Just use your fingernail to lift out the rivet and the pin. Do the same for the other side. Lift out this compartment tray as well. It pulls out, and that'll give you a bit more space. Now the carpet can be pushed back easily, revealing the back of the cluster. Now to get the bulb holder removed, push up this tab here, and there's one at the top, you can see right here. Push that one down, and that will release the whole unit. Right, now squeeze those 2 tabs together, one on the top, one on the bottom. Ease it backwards. Just watch it snag at this bottom corner here. And there's the bulbs. The brake bulb is at the very top. So push in, turn counterclockwise. Releases it. It's a bayonet bulb. Make sure it lines up to the grooves. Push in, clockwise, and you're done. The last thing you need to do is refit the clusters carefully, not damage any bulbs. Put the carpet back, and you're done.